Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.05. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 4.49%. This equates to an average return of 0.45% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, should the lower trend floor at $154.09 be breached, it may indicate the deceleration in the rate of increase and could serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible change of 15.29% over the coming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 12.49% to 42.25%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 4.24%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -46.14% and +22.23% over the next year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price range of $85.05 to $193.02. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by approximately 0.779% on the last day, Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, dropping from $159.16 to $157.92. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.95%, ranging from a low of $149.85 to a high of $158.77. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 2.39% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 45 million shares. Though this occurred alongside falling prices, this could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 84 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $13.32 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $186.65, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 15.39% or $28.73 below the 52-week high, and 30.52% or $69.38 below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. AMD experienced a decline today following a significant development in the artificial intelligence chip market. Nvidia revealed a collaboration valued at $5 billion with Intel, aimed at co-developing central processing units, graphics processing units, and AI infrastructure. This announcement led to a substantial increase in Intel stock during early trading, while Nvidia also saw gains. However, AMD's shares dropped as much as 5.8% during the day before stabilizing at a more modest decline by the close. Analysts shared varied perspectives on the situation. Some expressed concerns that the Nvidia-Intel partnership could intensify competitive pressure on AMD. Others countered that Intel's execution challenges might hinder their success, suggesting that AMD is still well-positioned to benefit from the growing AI market. In the short term, this news is likely to cause volatility and downward pressure, as investors react to fears that a two-company alliance may dominate data center and personal computer design wins. potentially leading to rapid declines in stock valuations. Over the long term, the effects will depend on execution and product leadership. If AMD can maintain strong performance in central processing units and AI accelerators, it may mitigate share losses and pave the way for future growth. Conversely, significant achievements by the Nvidia-Intel duo could result in market share and profit margin erosion for AMD. Additionally, recent actions by the Federal Reserve have created a mixed macroeconomic environment. While lower interest rates tend to support growth stocks, cautious forward guidance may dampen expectations for any sharp recovery. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned AMD a neutral grade accompanied by a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, Citigroup assigned AMD a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Saturday, the 9th of August, 2025, Wedbush assigned AMD a cautious grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, Deutsche Bank assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, Citigroup assigned AMD a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given this stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at $158.93 and $166.35. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 13, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 14.37%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 26 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 23 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 91 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 80 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $155.61. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. The stock typically displays average movements throughout the day, and with adequate trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $8.92 between its high and low, representing a change of 5.95%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 3.47%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.17. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $163.12. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $155.61. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 15th of September, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider purchase of 16,800 shares of common stock. On the 15th of September, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider sale of 13,624 shares of common stock. On the 15th of September, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider sale of 3,176 shares of common stock. On the 15th of September, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider sale of 16,800 shares of stock option grant. On the 10th of September, 2025, Norod Forest Eugene conducted an insider purchase of 8,200 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be positive with a ratio of 7.574. Overall, insiders acquired 1,194,678 shares and disposed of 1,022,374 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Currently, the stock of Advanced Micro Devices presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the stock will likely experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 19th of September, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open lower by $2.41, starting at $155.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.